right now.
Maybe Moco-chan, maybe you can get the 500 sneezes this year, huh?
Maybe.